guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Archie Biswal and today I will be taking you guys on the Samriddhi Mahamarg Expressway. We started from Kolaba, Mumbai at 5:30 am and we are going to Bhubaneswar, Odisha. We stopped on the way right now to have some breakfast and we had poha, and now it's around 7. Planning to go to Igatpuri right now, after which we will catch the expressway. The road has been mostly good till now. It's 7:40 am right now and Igatpuri is 60 kilometers from here. It's 9:15 right now and we just reached Igatpuri. So it took about 4 hours from Mumbai, including a break for breakfast.
अभी हम नासिक हाईवे छोड़ के समृद्धि महामार्ग पकड़ने के लिए राइट टर्न लिए हैं। एक पेट्रोल पंप है भारत पेट्रोल में, मिस कर जाने का संभावना है, इसीलिए जिन लोगों को आना है वो उनको थोड़ा ट्रैक रखना पड़ेगा, पूछ लेना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि कहीं कुछ लिखा नहीं है। एक छोटा सा होटल है, समृद्धि होटल, उधर लिखा हुआ, लेकिन वो मिस करने का बहुत चांस है क्योंकि राइट टर्न के बाद ही होटल आता है। रेलवे का ओवर ब्रिज है, नीचे ट्रेन जा रही है।
वहाँ पे सामने कोई तो एक वाटर बॉडी भी है। Looks really pretty. Right turn. Exactly 10:13 am right now. So from Igatpuri it took 1 hour. Our next destination is Nagpur, that is 620 kilometers from here. I must say it feels very different to be on this expressway. It feels very spacious and of course it's new, so it's well maintained till now. This is honestly full international feel. With an Indian touch, with a Maharashtrian touch, because you have these amazing, beautiful mountains. It's 30 minutes later and we have literally covered almost 50 kilometers, 48 kilometers we have covered. So I can't believe this. This is epic. It's exactly 1 hour later when we first entered the expressway, and in 1 hour we have completed more than 100 kilometers. We have completed about 105 kilometers or something. I mean, there's nothing in between. It's just an expressway and the speed limit is 120, so it's not even that surprising. But yeah, I am just finding it really interesting. And Expressway. It's called the Samruddhi Mahamarg, and it is 701 kilometer long, and there are 3 phases. So phase 1 is from Nagpur to Shirdi, which is open, and then the phase 2 is Shirdi to Igatpuri, which is open as well, and phase 3 that is Igatpuri to Mumbai, so that was under construction. So as I was saying, the phase 3, right, so it's not completed yet. That's why हम Mumbai से Igatpuri like normal रास्ते से आए, and then we got the expressway. Otherwise you can just, when that is completed, I guess direct Mumbai से तुम जा सकते हो. So उसके लिए तो मतलब I'm waiting. That's gonna be even more fun. मतलब direct मुंबई से नागपुर, कुछ मतलब बीच में कुछ भी नहीं है, बस जाते रहो. एक चीज़ है कि लेकिन साइड में तुम्हें कुछ खाने के लिए भी नहीं मिलेगा, सो उसके लिए प्रिपेयर्ड होके रहना. एंड हमने तो बस ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया था, तो अभी हम मतलब ठीक है, अभी जाके हम लंच करेंगे नागपुर में जाके. बट हाँ, तो बिलीव ही नहीं हो रहा, मतलब इट्स लाइक तुम कहीं अलग दुनिया में आ गए, कुछ है ही नहीं, तुम बस जाते जा रहे हो, तुम बस जाते जा रहे हो. ऐसा मैंने कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया. बट हाँ, लाइक वाटर बॉटल इज अ मस्ट, बिकॉज साइड में कुछ शॉप्स कुछ भी नहीं है, सो you won't get anything. So water bottle is a must, and we also got some small things to eat like bun maska, chips वगैरह वगैरह. So yeah, ये सब का ख्याल रखना. And it says that the project cost was 55,000 crore. So yeah, and the toll gate system is also so interesting. So there's no fixed rate. It's by kilometer. So per kilometer it's 1.73 rupees. So I saw that for the first time कि kilometer के according है, नहीं तो usually तो it's fixed, right? So that was also fun. I've stopped at the rest center for some time to take a break because we've been driving since a long time. It's almost like 1:16 right now, and we've been driving since, I mean my dad has been driving since 3 hours now. So 3 hours on the expressway. So yeah, this is a rest center, and it's also a big petrol pump, so that's a good thing. And there's this tuck shop where you can eat stuff. And so around 3 more hours for Nagpur, I guess, 300 more kilometers, and we have also covered 300 kilometers till now. So yes. From here, so I'm guessing it will take around 1 hour max to max. So finally we have reached the final toll gate of the Samruddhi Mahamarg. This is the first tool kit that where we'll actually pay we have reached Nagpur. We have almost reached Nagpur. And how 6 hours just went by. They just flew. One more thing. Before you enter the expressway, make sure that you have enough petrol, because beach mein there's a big patch where there are no petrol pumps. So be prepared for that. मुंबई से नागपुर तक पेट्रोल 4500 का लगा. तो अभी हम निकल रहे हैं रायपुर की तरफ, ख़त्म करके हमारा सफ़र एट समृद्धि महामार्ग. एंड इतनी खुशी हुई मुझे इंडिया में ऐसा एक्सप्रेसवे देख के. हम लास्ट टाइम आए थे मुंबई से नागपुर एंड इट टुक अस 20 hours, एंड दिस टाइम इट only took us around 11 hours from Mumbai to Nagpur. And we did not touch Nagpur, so maybe that will take 12 hours, but that is still so much less than 20 hours. So really, I'm like so happy and so proud of India, and yep, I just hope that it stays the same way and ऐसी और भी ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट हो तो रोड ट्रिप्स में और भी ज़्यादा मज़ा आ जाए. ये That's it for today's vlog. Hopefully it was really helpful for everyone. If you like the vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot, guys. Bye guys, I will see you next time.